Welcome to the top best. The best glass stove cleaner is probably one of the most essential items in any kitchen, especially for those who love to cook but hate the tedious scrubbing that follows. Imagine effortlessly wiping away burnt-on food, grease splatters, and stubborn stains from your beautiful glass stovetop, restoring its pristine shine with minimal effort. This cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest messes without scratching or damaging the delicate glass surface, making your cleaning routine faster and more enjoyable, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time doing what you love. Number 5. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Tired of smudges and streaks on your stainless steel surfaces? Introducing a powerful cleaner and polish designed to restore the brilliance of your appliances. Keep your kitchen looking pristine with our advanced anti-fingerprint spray. It actively repels marks, ensuring a spotless finish that lasts. Grease, water spots, and everyday grime are no match for this formula. It effectively cuts through tough messes, leaving surfaces clean and refreshed. Enjoy a truly clean look without any annoying residue or streaks. Our polish provides a smooth, even finish that enhances the natural beauty of your metal. Safe for a variety of metal surfaces, including appliances, sinks, and grills. It's the perfect solution for all your stainless steel cleaning needs. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have this essential cleaner on hand. Get more value and maintain the shine of your home with ease. What we like? Tired of constant smudges on your appliances? This cleaner offers an anti-fingerprint formula for a lasting clean. If you have stainless steel appliances and want to maintain a pristine look with minimal effort, you should consider this. What people say. This cleaner is a lifesaver for my glass cooktop. It removes tough, burnt-on food with ease, leaving the surface sparkling clean. I was skeptical at first, but this cleaner really works. It tackled grease and grime that other products couldn't, and it didn't scratch the glass. The formula is gentle yet effective. It cleans without harsh chemicals, making it safe to use around food prep areas. Number 4. Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner. Introducing the Weiman Ceramic and Glass Cooktop Cleaner. It's a heavy-duty solution designed to tackle tough messes on your cooktop. This powerful cleaner and polish brings back the shine to your cooktop. It works effectively without causing damage. The product comes with a 10-ounce bottle of cleaner and 3 scrubbing pads. Everything you need for a thorough clean. Keep your ceramic and glass cooktop looking its best. It removes burnt-on food and residue with ease. Trust Weiman for a brilliant clean every time. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a spotless kitchen. What we like? For those stubborn, burnt-on messes, this is your go-to. It comes with scrubbing pads to tackle tough grime effectively. If you're looking for a powerful solution specifically designed for glass and ceramic cooktops, this is the one for you. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from glass stovetops. The formula is non-abrasive, so it won't scratch the delicate surface of the glass. It leaves the stovetop looking shiny and new with minimal scrubbing. Number 3. Weiman Cooktop Cleaner Paste. Tired of stubborn messes on your cooktop? Our powerful cleaner is designed to tackle even the toughest burnt-on food and grease. Don't let water spots dull your shine. This formula effectively removes unsightly watermarks, restoring the clarity of your surface. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish every time. It leaves your glass cooktop looking as good as new. While tough on grime, it's gentle on your cooktop. Enjoy a deep clean without worrying about damage. Bring back the original sparkle to your kitchen. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a pristine cooking surface. What we like? This paste cleaner is designed to lift even the most challenging burned-on food. It leaves your glass cooktop looking brand new. If you often deal with tough cooking residues and desire a sparkling clean surface, this product is an excellent choice. What people say. It works great on my glass cooktop. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough stains and grease from my glass stove. I love how easily it polishes my glass cooktop, leaving it looking brand new. Number 2. Weiman Cooktop Cleaning Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Introducing the ultimate solution for a sparkling clean cooktop. This powerful cleaner tackles tough grease and grime with ease. Achieve a flawless finish every time. Our non-abrasive formula ensures no streaks or sticky residue are left behind. Worry-free cleaning for your delicate glass and ceramic surfaces. It's gentle yet effective, protecting your cooktop's finish. Get everything you need in one package. The included microfiber cloth is perfect for buffing to a brilliant shine. Don't let burnt-on food and grease ruin your appliance. This cleaner is designed to cut through the toughest messes. Enjoy a clean kitchen without harsh fumes. Our formula is safe and effective, making cleaning a more pleasant experience. What we like? Achieve a flawless finish without streaks or residue. This spray and cloth combo makes cleaning simple and effective. If you prefer a non-abrasive cleaner that works wonders on glass and ceramic surfaces, this is a great option. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from glass stovetops. The formula is non-abrasive, so it won't scratch the delicate surface of the glass. It leaves the stovetop looking shiny and new with minimal scrubbing. Number 1. Weiman Quartz Countertop Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Discover the ultimate solution for your quartz countertops. This specially formulated cleaner is designed to safely tackle grease, soil, and watermarks. Our pH-neutral formula is perfect for quartz, the leading countertop material. It cleans effectively without causing streaking or residue, unlike multi-purpose cleaners. Protect your investment with superior UV protection. It helps preserve the resins in your countertops, preventing fading or darkening from sunlight exposure. Enjoy a spotless shine and a refreshing citrus scent. It cleans, shines, and protects, leaving your kitchen smelling amazing and your surfaces glistening. Experience a new level of luster with our supreme polishing power. It cleans without damaging the surface, ensuring a streak-free and residue-free finish every time. Trust and quality, proudly made in the United States. Weiman is dedicated to protecting your most valued surfaces in your home. What we like? Protect your beautiful quartz countertops from sun damage. This cleaner is pH neutral and specifically formulated for quartz surfaces, leaving a fresh citrus scent. If you have newly installed quartz countertops and want to maintain their beauty and integrity, especially with sun exposure, this is the ideal product. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from glass stovetops. The formula is non-abrasive, so it won't scratch the delicate surface of the glass. It leaves the stovetop looking shiny and new with minimal scrubbing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.